Xbox also lame. Power up is Nintendo's reign. Harmon's here, we break the chains. Pixel worlds, we lead the game. Stories only Minecraft's up, it's all in there.
So, as someone who has always loved this game and has seen it as like one of the all-time great GameCube titles, it is very, very exciting to see new players being exposed to this absolute gem. Even if it unfortunately comes at the expense of people saying Luigi's Mansion 2 and 3 are not quite as good.
Armor Smith, he's the name. Nintendo reigning, never the same. PlayStation.